Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Taxiing in the water is fine. Let's try it. All the time. Look at this touchdown. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings, AliShanMao here, and this time we have upgraded something on the Icon A5. There's a bigger motor, 35 size motor, 3 blade, 12 inch 6 pitch prop, and a 6S 5000 mAh battery. Battery is a little heavier, but let's see. I hope things will go right. Looks balanced, and basically I also installed a stabilization system. So let's see how it goes, all right? These are going to be beautiful zoom shots, okay, Mommy? Where the wind coming from? From left, from the sun side. So today seems like taxiing in the water is fine. I hope it doesn't go nose down because it's a little nose heavy today, and it should just get the nose up. All right, let's try it. Beautiful. Today we have all the power we need. Before I took off at 75% throttle. Today I took off at 50% or less than 50% throttle. Now the stabilization system is on. The plane still dives. Stabilization, let's try this side. Well, I feel more confident flying without the stabilization system. That we installed the stabilization system, let's use it anyway. And I'm coming for a good pass for a zoom shot for Mommy here. That's how you need to fly Icon A5. Just close to the water, cruising over water like a ground effect vehicle. Yes, now I have plenty of power, and now we can actually have fun. So wind is coming from that side. I'm gonna make a landing, hoping that it doesn't turn into submarine. Right, Aaron?
Yeah. If you turn into submarine, then you don't know where you're flying under the water.
Yeah. Today it's flying really nice because the stabilization system is assisting me all the time. Look at this touchdown. Basically, by removing the landing gear and sealing all the stuff under it has made a huge difference for floating and taking off. Before, the landing gear was doing a lot bad. Coming back for a low pass again. That's what you should do with Icon A5, even if you had a real one.
Use the tires and remove the tires and put the floating things. Then when you want to land, you just put the landing gears down, then it will be like a floating thing.
Yeah. Man, now this is a perfect Icon A5 to fly and enjoy. It will crash only if pilot mistake. And I will try my best not to do that. Sun is burning my eyes. But I don't want to crash my beloved Icon A5. There was a skip. There was one skip. I will come from that side, very close to the water, so you can zoom in, okay? That's your zoom shot. See how beautifully it skips water now. All right, time to land.
And time to play the boat.
And time to play the boats. How about I make one circle and you zoom in on it, okay?
You think it's a big boat or a small boat?
Let them guess, is it a big boat or a small boat? And here we come for a landing. That was beautiful landing, right?
How will I get it back now?
We can drive it back. Today, Baba has set it up perfectly. Yeah, baby, that's what I'm talking about. That was a perfect Icon A5 flight, right? That was a perfect one.
Flying thing.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right.